Alright, what's up you guys? It's Thomas 2 coming at you with another YouTube video.
Wait, we're gonna make it right now.
Wait, yeah. What's up you guys? It's Thomas 2 coming at you with another YouTube video. And today we have a special guest. What's your name?
Hagan!
Alright, so first video 2020. Don't do that. Anyways, so we're making blueberry muffins. Alright, so we've got vegetable oil, and then there's water right there. We need, how many eggs? How many does that say?
2.
2 eggs, okay.
I'm waiting to crack them.
Alright, so the first thing is heat the oven to 425 or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for dark or non-stick pans. So,
We can
is this
stand.
good?
Yeah, we can stand.
So let's open this up. We've got our mix and our blueberries. So now, drained blueberries, let's add aside muffins. So first we're gonna pour in the mix.
It's a banana. Yeah.
Now we need 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So we got muffin mix, oil, and we need water and eggs. So let's do water. 3/4 cup of water.
Can I do it?
You can push it down. Hold on. Did that now. Last thing to put in is the eggs.
Can I do it?
Do you know how to crack? Let me show you how to crack it first. Like that. Wait. Oh no.
Oh!
I did it wrong.
Ew! Let me.
Sorry, you're supposed to crack it right here. Okay.
Can I do it?
Can you? Okay. Good. Now put the white. Good.
Let me wash my hands out!
Alright, wash your hands. You're gonna stir these. Yep. Stir it good. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna open up these blueberries. Okay. You want to? Alright, pour it in gently. Yeah. Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Look, it already makes some color. It already makes it purple.
No, I want a different color.
What do you want to tell the camera?
I did a good job on stirring. Then I want to put some dye color, make it pretty
What color do you want to make it?
red and blue.
Well, it's already purple. What color does red and purple make? I mean, red and blue.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Green.
What color does red and blue make? Come back over here. You tell me.
Purple.
Yes.
It's yellow and blue.
What color does yellow and blue make?
Purple. Orange. Green.
Yeah.
Wait.
Are you guessing or do you know?
I'm guessing.
Don't guess. You should. That's good.
Okay.
Put the cap back on.
Oh, Thomas! It was like a candy cane.
Yep. No, we're gonna pour it in right now. Alright, I'm pretty sure that the camera cut out, but basically we poured in all the batter and now we're about to put it in. Alrighty, I think it's time to put it in the oven now.
Thomas.
Wait.
Thomas.
Alright, now we need to set a timer for 17 minutes. Can you hit the shoot? Can you do the shoot? Shoot! Alright, we're gonna take them out now.
Okay.
Okay. I know. Behind the scenes of the Hagan and Thomas TikToks. One, 2, 3. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's say bye side of the camera. I think we had enough for today.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye!
That was our muffin adventure. Go follow my TikTok right here. To see all the TikToks that we made. That's all for today. So like and subscribe, please. It helps me out a lot. And these muffins taste good. And I've got homework to do. So, yep, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.